Check it out, everyone. It's the 6S Kraton. We're taking it out today for a fun little bash at our normal spot. But check it out, we got something new today that we'll be testing out. Got this wing mount and wheelie bar from our friends over there at Garage Life RC. Now the Outcast gets all the credit for being wheelie. For doing wheelies, they say, oh, if you want to do wheelies, get the Outcast. Well, I had the Outcast. It's a great RC, don't get me wrong. But the Kraton now, come on, it can wheelie. Look at it. Oh, man. Dude, that wheelie bar is doing great, man. That thing's like holding it at the perfect friggin' angle there, man. Oh, it's freaking awesome, man. It walks a little bit, but you know, most cars do. It's actually doing better than some of the factory wheelie bars I got. I will say, I think Team Crowley was onto something with the one wheel. One wheel down the center, I think it prevents that walking that you see with most wheelie bars. The key is... the key is you got to get up on the power smooth. Whoa, don't want to hit the ramp. Look at it, man, in the dirt it's doing it. Oh, man. Man, you know, I've had so many new RCs. This was kind of one of them. But I've actually, well, yeah, since December, I guess. Oh, no. Well, I just tested the wing mount. Dude, I'll tell you, this thing jumps so much better than any other RC I got. Like, I'm not hitting any of this stuff with a lot of speed. I'm not. It just... In fact, this is the first RC I had that jumped this this canal here, this drainage ditch, and I did it purely by accident. Usually what I do is I'll just come over here, kind of get a feeling for stuff and jump, right? And I figure this is 6S, this thing's kind of heavy, right? So I just came at it with a little bit of speed, and man, that dang thing cleared it. Look at it, I mean, it made it like... I actually, be honest with you, man, I know the backflips look amazing and you see a lot of people do that. I think it's actually easier because, like, that first jump, you saw the way it went up like that. It took so much to get it to come down and go. But when you backflip, well, except for as soon as I say it, you know, when you backflip, the car's already tending to want to do this, so you just kind of spin it around. But dude, look. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at all, hopefully, I'm gonna try to aim this. Look at all the dirt in there. We just took a direct hit to this mount. And it is fine. Man, never go home on a bad jump. You see how far this thing is a beast. I said for the longest time, I always liked the X-Max, was probably like one of my top cars. That, the sledge. But man, dude, this thing here just This is an incredible RC. There's just no does have a little problem with wanting to keep that front end down. Ugh. Man, it's kind of dusty. You see there's like a fine silt over everything. Man, I tell you, with ease. Look, I didn't even hit that ramp with a whole lot of speed. I still backflip it. Oh man, I love this RC. Whew. Man, look at all this stuff down here. What's all this dirt? Oh, that's freaking awesome. Woo! Oh no! Oh no! Man, we've had so much rain here lately. I've never seen this, like, full of dirt like this. I'll take it, man, boy. Look at this thing. This is some fun, man, drifting with the Kraton. Oh, man. Oh, my. Dude, look at that. This Kraton just kicked that up, and I get belted in the leg with it. Man, I tell you what's not cool, man. The damn gnats are out in effect. I might have to go get my bug netting. Something I have when we go camping, because, you know, be out there grilling and the damn mosquitoes and gnats be in your face. Oh, wow, man. This is... Dude, oh, I'm loving it. Oh, it's freaking awesome, man. I love this RC. Love this thing, man. That thing go. And I mean, it handles pretty good too. You know, something you don't really see too much of in like the monster truggy kind of world is, oh, high-speed turns. It's kind of why I like the sledge a lot, because, you know, I can run it through here like this. Most of the ones that we have, like the Kagama and like the Big Rock, the X-Max and stuff, they're all like monster trucks. So they and the Outcast all sit up a bit higher. Oh, durability testing, that's what we're doing. I'm trying to grab some more wheelies in the dirt because I know it's going to put a lot of pressure on that wheelie bar. I want to test this thing out. Although, if you watched Garage Life RC's videos, that dude shows no mercy, man. He has no mercy. Ooh. Yeah, I don't want to be ripping up the grass. I don't want to get in trouble. Just trying to cover that up a little bit. You start doing dumb stuff and then they'll start banning you from running cars out here. Don't want that to happen. That's kind of why I run here, because I mean, if you look at the grass, you get the drainage ditch. This really isn't a used part of the park. You know, you get your baseball field and that over there. Where, you know, I know definitely if I ran through that, they'd have a fit. Oh man, dude, this thing. I'm loving down here, man. I had never like drifted with the Kraton. Oh man. Well guys, I'm not gonna bore you with too much of the driving, but I'm not gonna make this a 30-minute long video and run the whole battery pack through. I need to get better at this. Man, I tell you, this thing's like part airplane. I think E-Flight built this. Oh. Oh, that's a little harsh. That was like on the back wheels. Uh-oh, my ramp is kind of leaning. I guess it's my fault. I never put that, tightened up that third brace. Let's check it. Woo! Let's check it out. Let's see how our wing mount's doing. Oh, wow! I did not want to add that additional test, but I guess guess we'll take it. Oh man, look at it, it's just sitting dead up on the wing. So guys, you know I'm all about honesty on this channel. I don't promote things I don't believe in. I will not tell you to or recommend something if I didn't believe in it myself or use it on my own vehicles. And I could recommend this mount. I mean, from the testing I've seen Tyson at Garage Life RC do what he's done, and my own testing here, I mean, yeah, so the wheel doesn't rotate quite as free as it did initially. I'm not sure if there's bearings in there, if it's just but it's not a problem. It's not like it's a precision rolling device, but Look at all the flex you have in the wing. So when you land, boom, you have that, and you want that give. So that's probably also, you know, why it walks a little bit when it gets up there. But I mean, you can see it had no problem actually like holding a wheelie. It's actually kind of nicer, because before the thing would come up so far. I mean, look what I was doing to the wing, because the wing would just drag in. I'm like ripping up my decals and everything, ripping up all this, because it would wheelie up so bad. Ah, check it out. And then check out, he gave me the front bumper mount too. And if you can see that, hopefully that looks absolutely fine. We definitely took some hits. You can see all the dirt here. Yeah, we did a couple of nice bounce. Look at that, man. Got that stuff dug in. I actually put these roof skids on before I even realized like Garage Life RC had roof skids. This is actually off an 8S Outcast. I cut the skeleton and put it underneath there. I have a whole video on how I did it, but I would rather just use the Garage Life RC ones. Yeah, buddy. All right, everyone. Appreciate you watching. Me and the Kraton here, we appreciate your time. We know there's lots of YouTube channels out there asking for your business and your views. I appreciate you tuning in, giving us your time. It does mean a lot. I love it. All right, everyone. So I will have this at Armageddon. If you're interested in looking at these Garage Life RC parts, come check me out. Ask to see the 6S Kraton. And man, I got you some discount codes below. I got ways to help out the channel, help support me going to events like Armageddon, because you know, gas and hotels and everything, not cheap to get down there. But I do appreciate the support. I appreciate you watching. Likes, shares, comments are all free. Using my Amazon store is a free way of helping. So are all the affiliate links. But yeah, man, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, appreciate the support. See you on the next one.